front of me is Hammer Blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Pick a spot for each one and hit Save at the top right corner. To remove one of your contacts, use this X next to the one that you wish to delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!